An update now on the McDonald's worker who was shot Monday night in Bed-Stuy, Brooklyn. The victim, 23-year-old Matthew Webb, has died. Police sources say a customer got into an argument with Webb at the McDonald's on Fulton Street over cold fries. Later, the customer's son allegedly confronted Webb outside the restaurant and shot him in the neck. 20-year-old Michael Morgan has been charged with attempted murder and criminal possession of a weapon. No word yet on whether those charges will be upgraded.